Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to show you how you can create your very own storybook for kids using two super handy tools, Canva and ChatGPT. By the end of this walkthrough, you're going to know exactly how to generate a fun, educational story and bring it to life visually, even if you've never written or designed a storybook before. Whether you're a parent, a teacher, or just someone who wants to try something creative, this is a fantastic project that anybody can do, so let's jump right in. First up, we're going to head over to ChatGPT. If you haven't used it before, don't worry, it's really simple. All you need to do is open up ChatGPT in your browser and type out a prompt. For this example, let's type, "Write for me a short story for kids to learn something useful." The beauty of ChatGPT is that it instantly comes up with creative stories tailored for your needs. You can tweak the prompt if you want, the more specific, the better. For instance, if you want a story that teaches about kindness or teamwork, just add those details. In my example, ChatGPT gave me a charming little tale called The Tale of Timmy and the Lost Pencil, featuring a curious young turtle. Once you have your story, don't rush on. Take a moment to read through what ChatGPT gives you. Make sure it's age-appropriate and covers the lesson you want. You might want to edit a word or two or personalize a line to fit your own style. It's completely okay to make small changes so the story truly feels like yours. Now that we've got our content, it's time to make it come alive visually. Head over to Canva, which is a fantastic online design tool that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. In the search bar at the top, type Storybook. Canva will show you a bunch of pre-made templates here, but for today we're going to start from scratch to keep it truly unique, so just select Create a Blank Storybook. This will give us a blank canvas, kind of like a fresh page in a notebook, all ready for your imagination. Now for one of the most creative parts of the process, designing your storybook. Every page is a new opportunity to engage young readers. Start by thinking about your story. For example, if you're working with the tale of Timmy and the lost pencil, maybe your first page can show Timmy happily drawing. Use Canva's Elements tab to search for images, type in words like turtle, forest, or pencil and see what pops up. Drag and drop your favorites onto the page. You don't have to be an artist. Canva has everything from photos to cute illustrations that work beautifully for kids' stories. As you go through, add a line or two of your story to each page. This keeps things simple and digestible for young readers. Imagine reading the book aloud one page at a time. For example, page 1 could say, "Timmy the turtle loved to draw." Then show him with his pencil. Next page, "But one day his pencil disappeared." Add a dramatic graphic of a missing pencil to build a little suspense. Take your time laying out the text and images. Don't worry if it seems slow at first. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get the text size and placement just right so it's easy for kids to read. Keep going page by page, building up both the storyline and the visuals to match. If you find yourself stuck for ideas on how to show something, try thinking, how would this look in a cartoon or picture book? Canva has loads of elements to choose from, so experiment and have fun with it. And honestly, that's it. In a very short amount of time, you've written and illustrated a storybook that kids will love, and you did it all with free, easy tools. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own creations, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy storytelling.